I'm here today in Forest Acres at the Walmart parking lot where Serve and Connect connected with Walmart to hold an event today for those impacted by Hurricane Helene. The white kits over there include non-perishable food items and toiletry kits that will be distributed across the region. I'm going to take you on a quick inside look of just some of the items that will be included in these kits. Now, Greg's Groceries is an annual event, and after speaking to the CEO, she told me that she will be holding another event this year as well. Greg's Groceries provides thousands of boxes of foods for families and individuals in need in honor of Officer Greg Aaliyah.